Hello dear friends. I am glad to be with you. Here I run the Healthify channel for you. This channel was created for you who are interested in health and medicine and would like to know the latest news and research in this field. In this channel, I bring you interesting and useful videos on various topics of health, nutrition, diet, exercise, etc. Today I would like to introduce you a new playlist that is about medicines. In this playlist, I will talk to you about the use, importance, performance, side effects, limitations, how to use and drug interactions. This information will help you to become more familiar with your medicines and use them better. Of course, I always tell you to talk to your doctor before using any medicine. So, if you are also interested in drugs and want to know how they affect your body, be sure to check out this playlist. The playlist link is in the description. If you like my videos, please give me a like and a comment and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notified of my new videos. But before you go to watch the videos, I want to challenge you. You might be interested to know that the latest research shows that drug addiction is a chronic disease that causes changes in the brain? Yes, drug addiction is a chronic disease that causes changes in the brain. These changes cause the addicted person to lose the power of self-control and the ability to deal with strong urges to consume drugs. These changes in the brain may persist even after the drug is stopped. That's why drug addiction is a reversible disease. That is, people in recovery from a drug use disorder are at risk of returning to drug use, even after years off drug use. This is an interesting and cautionary fact to keep in mind. So please use the medicines carefully and under the supervision of a doctor. I hope you enjoy my videos. I am grateful for your presence and support. I have a lot of respect for you. Goodbye and stay healthy.